Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve the internal error 0x06 system error on your Windows computer. So this usually has to do with the Steam application, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to hopefully resolve it without too much of a hassle. So we're going to go and jump into it by opening up the start menu. Just I'll click on the start button one time. Type in File Explorer. Press Manage, should come back with File Explorer right above App. Go ahead and left click on that one time. Now on the left side, go ahead and left click on this PC. And now go underneath your local disk where Windows is installed on. There should be a little Windows icon above the hard drive indicating where that is. So go ahead and double click on that. Once you're done opening up the local disk, you want to go double click on the users folder. And now you want to go open up the public, double click on that. And now in this public folder here, you want to go right click in a blank spot, left click on new, and then select folder. You want to name this folder documents, so exactly as it appears on my screen, so documents, D-O-C-U-M-E-N-T-S, so it should be plural. Hit enter on your keyboard once you have created that folder. Now you want to go ahead and double click on the documents folder here. Now right click in a blank area, again, select new, and then select folder. You want to call this Steam, so S-T-E-A-M, so exactly how you would spell Steam normally. Hit enter on your keyboard. So once you're done with that, close out of here, attempt to run the Steam game or application that you're having the problem with before, and hopefully that has been able to resolve your problem. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.